today I have got something, I'm not sure whether you are interested in or not, but I filmed it, so this is my little intro for it. I did make some Christmas crackers from scratch. Yeah, so these are my Christmas crackers. I made 6. Here they are here. Some have a little bit of a shorter leg than the others, but these are my Christmas crackers and I made them, and I did film a little section of me making them, so I thought maybe you might be interested in it. Yeah, it's not the best quality, so don't think that I'm like DIY crafter or anything. Yeah, let's get into how to making these DIY Christmas crackers. So here we are. I'm going to go through the supplies you need. Tide roll tubes, leftover Christmas cracker stuff, what my mum had left over, a little bit of thick wrapping paper. You can buy the Christmas cracker stuff really cheap online, Hobbycraft, scissors, and then a glue type device. That is ribbon. Now here we are, we're going to be measuring up the toilet roll tubes to our wrapping paper, so we've got like our width. I'm cutting it here for you so you can see. This next bit is me putting a bit of glue on the cracker stick. You could use a Pritt stick or glue gun for this. You don't need like this little thing. Mind you, this little thing was cheap as chips on Amazon. And here I am putting a bit of glue on either side, not on the snapper part, but on the outsides of the snapper part, just a little bit, enough to go into your middle tube, toilet roll tube. I'm trying to keep this as real time as I can. If you hear cats or anything like that in the background of this voiceover, I'm very sorry. So there I am, sticking it on in anyways. And yeah, we're going to put it back in the middle. And you don't need the 2 outer tubes. They will be removed, but you do need them for your stiffness, basically. So and here I am now, just straightening out. And now I'm going to put a line of glue along the edge of the wrapping paper. If you can get what I mean. I feel like a glue gun wouldn't work for this part, but if you've got a Pritt stick, that would work for sure. So the next step is me rolling it really tight up to the edge where we've put the glue. Just remember keeping it very, very tight. This is a bit fiddly when you've got long nails, but they come in handy as well sometimes for stuff like this. And all you really need to do is like keep it really tight, and then you can glue it along to the, like push it onto the glue. And once you've got that, you make sure the glue bit's pushed on quite tight. And now you're going to find your space between the toilet roll tubes. I've had to pull mine up because it's went down a little bit. And basically you're squishing to create your little space. And then your next step is on one end, you will tie your ribbon really tight. You want to make sure your stuff can't fall out. And I've got little white ribbons which came with the bits that my mum gave me, and I'm just making sure that I get really tight. This was quite fiddly with my nails, but I'm gonna really make sure it's very tight as I'm fastening it. This wrapping paper, by the way, was from Aldi, just in case you are wondering. It was quite nice enough wrapping paper to do this job with. And there I am tightening it so it's really tight. Now the next bit after this is, once you've tied your little bow, which I'm going to do now, is you will turn your cracker around and put your gifts in, basically. So I've chose a little mini perfume, and then I have got a hat and a joke, but you could print these off yourself and cut the hats yourself with tissue paper. But lucky enough, my mum had leftovers from last year. That's the cats going nuts. Honestly, this kitten is wild. Definitely not the best environment to create a voiceover. But there we are. We've got our made cracker. Now I'm just going to pull them out, and that is the made. Oh, there's Miss Georgie herself. But yeah, that's the cracker made. I hope you can follow along. And then, as you could see, I put like a little gift in. So these ones, the green ones, have like a scratch card in and a little sweetie. And then in the red ones, they're like the girls ones. They have like a fragrance mini and stuff like that. And that's how I made them. I hope you enjoyed this. And anyways, if you like these type of videos, I will do more crafts if you would like, or hampers or things like that. Just let me know, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.